egwu nke atọsa ana hey ọkwa egwu ndị nna nna anyị ha ndị nụbụrụ agha Biafra ome just cool go down ka ị ga-egwu a iwe ma na Igbo na-agụ egwu Igbo na
Agari n'obodo n'ikọrị kwamgbọ ọkpangbaga biere gị zaba Biafra ọkpangbaga biere gị zaba Biafra. Roger Iyọson Iyọson Chekwala nna gị Iyọson.
Hey, no sir. Then they tell Umokoko they know 1 year. Pikin waiting by your papa, he say na snail. Waiting by your mama, na snail. Waiting go for her, na snail. Go for the nonsense unu jichanaka. This rubbish will na go for her, na don't go cover face. Na the same you people wey we know now. Nnamdi Kanu don tell her na make her go they cover face. Then they do this nonsense. And the Okoko where they praise them for that video. You see you people, no worry. I don't blame you. I blame the governors we have in Aribo, because if all of them would be tenacious as the governor of Enugu State, Fitamba, I'm sure most of you, fear will not even let you people be on social media, let alone promoting this garbage. As for those of you that are raising rifles, the people that they used to stage the first ESN video, where are they today? Most of them have either been recycled or they ran away. The lucky ones ran away. The rest are in jail. So go back and they call this on nonsense. You know jichanaka or nonsense unu bucha. As if he said no na fish. Then he said no also no gonna walk again. On our own no pass wrong. You people better drop that rubbish you are holding and go look for what you do with your lives. Umutobo. Nature dog go to Okpo handas. Okpo handas or kunaka kunu gejan or you jichanaka. This one are rubbish. Extra two magazines and be the fight we na prepare for. After now go carry am go go stage, go at one bush, go another, go the same bush, now go this side do video, go this side stage video. They do not so anyway. Those who are destined for destruction will eventually be destroyed. Oba or you go still end, you now know how you go still end. Now when they pursue on for Mother Valley, where they no go pursue on. Now time they never get for now. Because when you see that way that they call for, that way that they call for, no worry. At least now, when I don't fracture, yes. When I don't expose on ourselves, now don't they see how they take the chop on our money, where they contribute. Then the rest of you now kidnapping and vehicle theft. Now you're not home. Maybe I got Biafra. Go to your state governors and go demand whatever it is they are not giving you, and stop all this nonsense. Very useless set of people. Shebu na so na they fear. Unu ne kuchizi una. Now they cover face. No worry, now na money una go see here something.